In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Gmail emails to Google Drive. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Then log into your Gmail account. Once you're inside Gmail, click on the email message you want to save so it opens fully on your screen. Now look at the top right corner of the email header and click the print icon. This will open your browser's print preview window. On the right side of the print settings panel, click the destination drop-down menu. From the list of available printers, select Save as PDF. After that, click the blue Save button at the bottom right corner of the print window. A file browser window will appear. Choose a temporary folder on your computer where you want to save the email PDF, then click Save Again. The email will now download as a PDF file. Next, open a new browser tab and go to drive.google.com, then log in to your Google Drive account if needed. Once you're inside Google Drive, click the New button in the top left corner. From the menu, select File Upload. Now locate the email PDF file you downloaded earlier, click on it, then press Open. Google Drive will upload and save the email file into your cloud storage. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.